Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kitan here. I'm back with another video and this one is really cool. So I've seen this going around on YouTube. I saw Kiana and Naomi do it and Dope Ethiopian did it as well. And it's basically, I change my hairstyle every day for 1 week. So I'm really excited about this because you guys know I change my hair a lot. So that's what I started my channel doing. So I'm really excited for this challenge. I mean, every single day though, that's where I'm like, okay, I will see how this goes. If you like this video, make sure you like it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed so you can't miss any more new videos that I put out. And yeah, let's begin. Okay, so I just got back from Lagos a week ago and I did these braids. They're goddess braids and I got them done for like 20 bucks. It's amazing. If you haven't gone back to Nigeria or Africa in general to get your braids done, don't sleep because it's really inexpensive and I had like 2 people on my hair. It's a vibe. For Christmas, I went to Lagos, I went to Ghana for the year of the return, shout out. And I also went to Dubai as well. And then when I got back, I did these braids right here. And yeah, I really, really love them. They were great, but I'm about to take them out probably tomorrow. So I thought, okay, this will be the first hairstyle to switch them up a little bit because I haven't done anything different to them really since I've had them. I have these little clips. So there's some braid clips. I got them for $1 at the beauty supply store. I'm just gonna put them all over the hair just to, you know, make them all cute. So today, and I'm heading to lunch with a friend. I'm actually gonna film a video really quickly before I go, and then yeah, I'm heading to lunch. So this is day 1. Alright, so this is my outfit of the day. I don't know if you can see it, looks really dark, but basically I have this shirt, thrifted, and then I also have these pants as well, thrifted. If you want to see a thrifting video, then let me know in the comments. But yeah, and I have this bag from Boohoo, and these shoes are from Forever 21. Alright, heading out. Hello. So it is day 2. Day 2, changing my hair every day, and it's my last day in these braids, and I'm actually really sad. I have this head wrap here from Attire Avenue. I'm gonna put my hair up in a head wrap. You guys always love when I put my hair up, so I'm gonna show you how I do that. I'm actually gonna film a video of me styling my hair in head wraps. If you wanna see that, it should be up already. Let's begin. All right, so first I bring all the hair to the front. I'm gonna grab 2 of the hair in the middle, and then I'm gonna wrap it around all of the braids. And then basically I have tied up in a bun. And then I'm just gonna tie it in the back, you know. So now we have a ponytail. Oh my God, I look like Shanae. So we have it like this, and then I'm gonna basically wrap that around itself, like so. Please ignore my edges, they will be wrapped. And then, last but not least, we're gonna grab the head wrap. So if you don't already know, this is my head wrap company. I have a head wrap company called Attire Avenue, and you can get some luxurious looking head wraps. So check it out. I'm gonna leave a link to it down below and a coupon code as well. So anyway, I'm gonna fold the head wrap like this and turn it, and basically just put it on the back of my neck like that. Bring it around, and so I'm just gonna bring it around like that. Okay. Tuck my hair in, tuck this in, come out, and then bring it around one last time and basically just tuck it in. This is my favorite way to tie my hair up. Super easy. You don't need anything but the head wrap. And then as long as you tuck it in, voila, I'm done. Let me put back on these hoops right now. And this is nice because I'm heading to church, so it's a good look. It's a good look. Listen, y'all, if your hair is looking a bit rough, you know, a head wrap will make it come together. Look at it. Alright guys, so totally different look. But I took my hair out last night and I have it in cornrows under here. You guys have seen my cornrows. Y'all know I used to crochet hair all the time. But for the next few days, I feel like I'm just gonna wait a week because I just can't. I can't be bothered, and it's just the only way to go. So I'm wearing this outfit. I actually have a shoot today with TRESEMME, so I'm just gonna quickly just throw on a wig. I feel like I'm gonna wear my bang wig today because it's the easiest one, and I'll just, you know, pin it down and brush it and call it a day. So let me go grab that. I'll be right back. I'm back and I have my bang wig here. It could be in better condition. Come on, let's do this. Look how quickly I'm transformed into a normal human being. Seems legit. I really don't even have to do much. So this is today's look. I will leave all the wig details down below, or any details, a head wrap that I use, wigs, accessories, clothes, all that stuff in the description box below. Actually, let me show you guys my outfit because I feel like you guys need to see this. You need to see what's going on here. Oh, I don't know, this lighting is kind of trash, but this is my outfit. Yeah, so there we go. Okay, so I'm about to head to my shoot now, and I'll see you guys later. God forbid, I'm not doing that again. Don't ever, why? Hey guys, what's up? Ew. Okay, so I'm back again. It is what day is it now? 3? Oh, it's day 4. Okay, so it's day 4 and I am supposed to be going thrifting today. At least that's the plan. I'm supposed to go to New York Fashion Week in it's about a week. Is it a week from now? I'm going with TRESEMME and I'm really excited. I'm supposed to go thrifting. I want to get a few like vintage pieces because I'm trying to like stand out this fashion week, you know, I'm trying to elevate. You know, this is what number is this? I feel like my 3rd or 4th fashion week, and I've gone with TRESEMME every single time. Going thrifting, but first I also have to, guys, don't come for me, but throughout the time I was in Nigeria, Ghana, even Dubai, and back to Nigeria. You guys know I did a little world tour this December, January. I didn't wear my Invisalign. Let me tell you what really happened. Okay, so I kept being like, you know, I'm gonna eat because in Nigeria, listen, you're gonna eat, it's Christmas, everyone's coming around and bring you food, pandiyam, you know, rice and stew. I mean, come on, jollof fry. I literally was like, you know, taking my Invisalign and then now I wasn't really feeling it. And that's how, by the time I was getting ready to be like, oh, let me glue my Invisalign, it didn't fit anymore. So my teeth just started moving all anyway, anyhow. So I have to go to my orthodontist to pick up a new set of Invisalign. If you guys want me to do a video on how that experience has been going, even though I've been so trash with it, then let me know in the comments so I can do that. But anyway, let me put on my hair because that's the whole point. Changing my hair every day. So I am gonna be wearing something new today. It's curly. So I've been rocking this. I rock this throughout Lagos. It's getting a bit, you know, the frontal is looking a bit sparse, but we move. So I'm just gonna put it on. It has an elastic band already on it. And so all I need to do is put it on and it'll be stuck on. So let me do that right now. All right, let me do this. I used to, and I'm not even gonna lie, I've gotten so lazy with my hair. So any hairstyle that doesn't allow me to just stick it on like this, any of these glue spray thing, I try to at least make it glueless if I can, because I can't be bothered. I really can't. I can't. How realistic does this look? Like, does it look like this my hair? Like, sometimes if I put it on too, like, stupidly, it ends up giving me like the shortest forehead. So I have to put it in the right spot. And I have a scar. I have a scar on my forehead. Crazy story, almost died. That's kind of what I used to figure out where the, you know, front was supposed to be. But yeah, so basically all I do for this hair is wash it and put this thing from TRESEMME. Let me go get it because I need to show you guys because it literally makes this hair look this good. So it's the TRESEMME Curl Hydrate. This is not sponsored at all. This is my holy grail, like curling, leave-in curl cream. It's amazing. I was just like, oh, my hair was looking it was looking dead. Whenever this hair ends up looking dead, I'll actually show you guys how this works. If you put it on wet hair and you scrunch it, it actually gives like a really defined curls. But right now it looks a bit, you know, blown out. I really like it. What do you guys think of this hair? I wore it when I went to Amsterdam last year and I really like it, and it's just like a perfect bomber jacket with mom jeans. I'll put a picture on the screen. But yeah, this is my look for the day. And I like wearing it in the middle part, especially when I don't stick the hair on, because low-key, the flaps are kind of, you know, but you can't see that, so we're not talking about it. Anyway, day 3, 4, or 5. I'm not sure. All right, see you guys later. Alright guys, what's up? So in case you're wondering, it's about a month and a half since you saw me last. This is some hair. I rocked this on the cruise last year. I rocked this. I've literally worn this hair every now and then, but decided that since my sister's here and we're quarantined, that she could just install this hairstyle, and so I could have at least 5 different hairstyles. How many times am I gonna say hairstyles? Anyway, 5 different hairstyles for this video. Follow me on Instagram. You already know that I change my hair all the time, so this is obviously a problem that I didn't get to complete this challenge. So I'm gonna probably do this again. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Comment down below which hairstyle is your favorite. This one is definitely one of mine because I'm literally obsessed. Anyway, I have to quickly shoot some content for a brand, so I'm gonna quickly do that. And since I can't leave the house, I'm gonna quickly change into one of my sister's 2-pieces because it matches my vibes and I just really want to wear it. So I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, hope you're doing fine as we're all quarantined and you know, we all have this stay-at-home decree. But yeah, all right, bye guys. Mwah. I filmed majority of this video a few months back before this whole quarantine and virus started, so I'm not trying to be insensitive, and I'm not leaving the house. We're literally on lockdown at the house, but I decided I wanted to bring this video up because I still think it's a really great video. So if you like it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.